Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Jamboard. First open your browser, then search for jamboard.google.com. This type of interface will visible in your screen. You can create a Jamboard by click on New Jam, or you can open your previous created Jam. I'm gonna create a new, so I'm clicking on this New Jam. You can rename your Jamboard here. You can zoom your Jamboard by this tool. Here is your Jamboard frame bar. You can create a new frame by click on this create frame. It will create a new frame. You can present it by click on this present to meeting. You can also share it by here. Here is some option for renaming. Download as PDF, save frame as image, remove, make a copy, get help, send feedback to Google, see version history. You can sketch on your Jamboard by using pen tool. Here is a marker, here is a highlighter, here is a brush, here is a brush. You can also set the color of your pen from here. You can use eraser for removing the sketch from your Jamboard. Here is a selection tool. Here is a sticky note. You can add a sticky note from here. And you can also set the background of your sticky note from here. Here is a add image option. You can add image by click on this add image option. You can add shape by click on this rectangle icon beside the circle icon. Here is many shape available to create. You can add text by using text box option. You can use laser for presenting your Jamboard. You can also set the background of your Jamboard by click on set background. And you can also clear the frame. It will clear everything on your Jamboard. This is all about Google Jamboard. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.